KIRO. So I've installed it. It asked me, are you sure you want to open this application? I think I'm sure. So first off, do I want to import? Yeah, import from VS Code. That sounds cool. I'll do that. My markdown formatting, my random C++ compiler. 40, that's a lot. Why do I have to wait? Do I want KIRO dark or KIRO light? Oh, I feel like this is like, whatever I pick, y'all are going to judge me, but my VS Code is dark, so let's go with KIRO dark. KIRO dark. KIRO dark. Do I want to set up shell? Yeah, let's do it. Why not? KIRO will now prompt you with the script. Fine. Don't break my computer. Do I trust the authors of KIRO Friday Fun Time? Do I trust C-Track? I hope I do. Yeah, fine, I do. Great for thinking through in-depth features, meeting planning, building features in a structured way. Folks, if you know me, you know that is not my vibe. We are going to rapidly explore and test. We're going to build and implement tasks. This is the equivalent of F it, ship it. All right, let's go. And oh, this is cool. All right, so down below is just a prompt. I like this. Okay, so looks like I can pick between different models. Sonnet 3.7. I think I'm going to do that because I think 4 is having some. I think it's getting hammered by KIRO today. Okay, so there's a lot of things on the side that I find a little overwhelming, but I guess we'll learn what they are. Specs, agent hooks, agent steering, MCP servers. All right, so let's do something simple. So I want to say TGIF, it's a Friday, and I really want to play a game of Tetris on my computer in my browser. I'm thinking for the design, make it a clean, modern game aesthetic. Let's do this. Okay, so I just want to make a Tetris app. I gave it more details than I probably should have, but let's be real. I find for myself when I'm writing prompts, I kind of just journal. Like many people are like, "Oh, write your prompts exactly like this, exactly like that." I'm like, no, I just want to talk it out loud, like I'm sitting next to a coworker. And so, yeah, let's build a Tetris game. Let's have it look modern, whatever that means. I guess it's subjective. Really want it to be just like a single file that I can open in my browser. And okay, so it pops up a window on the side. KIRO uses generative AI. Responsible AI policy. Telemetry, I'm cool with telemetry. I'll create a okay, so now it's kind of telling me, this cute little ghost, KIRO, is telling me that it's going to make the game. It's creating a Tetris file. Can I see my folder? Yeah, okay. Oh, cool. I see the folder being created. Hey, look at that. Look at that. All right, KIRO. Look, it even has some nice KIRO purple. All right, this is kind of cool, actually. Woo! We're cooking with gas, folks. Okay. Oh, I should probably not get in trouble with the copyright gods. This is no way for commercial purposes. I wanted to test the power of vibe coding. All brands and copyright is owned by the original creators. 2025 track reserved. Thank you. All right. This is pretty fun. And you didn't come on here to see me play Tetris all day, but I just want to make sure the lines work. Nice. All right. Wow. So this is a single HTML file. I'll put this on my GitHub if you're interested. Can I do that? Will I get in trouble if I put on a Tetris game? I probably need to make like an open source modified version, like some block.io type game. But okay, this is cool. This is actually pretty well implemented. I'm impressed.